is organized. This is a bike repair station. As you can see, you can park here, you can wait here, there's a shade, and then you have all the tools. So you can see, this is a bike station. We have all the spanners, you got all the screwdrivers, you got Allen keys, just to repair for the light repair. And then you got everything. And then you have the manometer there, and then you can even pump manually if need be, because the handle is right there. So all is planned. If you have a puncher or anything, so this is your station. This is your station. So all is there. As you can see, there is even spanner, obviously secured. And there is a screwdriver, and then all the screwdriver side, and then there's the Allen keys. Voila, that's all. Metropole, that's for the municipality.